What if I told you one fish could cause riots in the market and one prawn could make Portugal jealous? From mustard wrapped pottery to coconut fueled chaos. This is not dinner. This is a war on the plate. Welcome to the Culinary Challenge. Your coastal battle starts now. Culinary Challenge Season 1 Episode 3. Bengali Fish versus Goan Prawn, the ultimate coastal food battle. Welcome to the Culinary Challenge show, the show which talks about flavors and every story sizzles here. I am your host Rahul Srivastav, a chef who has spent more time next to stovetops than sunsets. And this is season 1, where we celebrate the rivalry, the craft and heart of Indian food. Today's episode 3, which flips the spotlight to ocean and an all-out coastal clash, which is between the Bengali fish and Goan prawns. Who wins? You decide. One side, Bengali fish, isn't just food, it is life. Other side, Goan prawns, swaying with coconut, chili, and sunshine. This isn't just recipe, it is identity, pride, and waves that shape the taste of the dish. Now I'll take you to a scene. Now this scene is in Kolkata. Picture this, early morning in Kolkata's wet market, and you see wet baskets with lot of fishy air, where vendors are chanting ilish, ilish. Silver Hilsa is gleaming. You can practically feel the soft, fatty shimmer between your fingers. Now slide over to Goa. You hear the surf, maybe a bit of reggae, garlic, coconut, chili. It is everywhere. Prawns are crackling in the pan, oil popping like an applause. Two coasts, two rhythms, and one heartbeat. And that is the ocean. Now let me take you to a little bit of flavor and philosophy. Bengali food is quite a storyteller, with mustard, green chili, river fish, and soft confidence. Goan food, the life of the party. Garlic, vinegar, spice, loud and laughing. Hilsa whispers nostalgia. Prawns shout out rebellion. Yet both agree, food is an emotion. A little bit about taste and truth? Yes, of course. Bengali flavor comforts, it slows you down. Goan flavor celebrates, it picks you up. If Bengali food is sitar note at the dawn, the Goan food is guitar riff at the sunset. Hilsa teaches patience, the prawn teaches us the courage. A little bit of kitchen trivia. The colonial food at some point of time had also taxed the Hilsa fish, and the Bengali Kolkata cutlets are ever famous. A little bit about the cooking styles of Hilsa. Banana leaf wrapped up in the fish wrapped up in banana leaf and cooking it in a very gentle way. And for the Goan curry, toast your spices dry, let the aroma come, and that gives you the length and the breadth of the overall curry. My first Goan food was a total train wreck, where I burned the chilies and burned the entire gravy, but it overall turned out to be a very flavorful roasted note. So the sea eventually forgives. India is divided by water, Bengal and Goa, yet they are same. Fish don't live in the sea, they bring the sea with themselves to the plate. Step into a Bengali home, steamed rice, mustard, and the kind of food which comes across is fantastic. A little bit about rivalry and passion. Food fights are a love in disguise. When Bengali debate about mustard, the Goans argue about Amma's recipe. The competition is fierce over there. Bring it home, cook them both, taste them side by side. Hilsa paturi and prawn curry. You will see they are not enemies. These are just balancing acts. Same salt, same sea. The challenge? So tell me, which coastal food gets your vote? Is it the Hilsa or is it the prawn power? Tag me with your recipe, and till next time, you will see the next episode. We trade with street snacks and real chaos of Indian eating. Till then, cook with heart, taste and memory. Remember, in every rivalry there is a story for savoring. Thank you. Signing off. Rahul. Bye.